Today, the A Collegian with Purpose project spotlight is on Miss Loriann Thompson. Miss Thompson is a mother, a dedicated educator, and the principal of Rhoden Hall Early Childhood Institution. Folks, let us welcome Miss Thompson to the A Collegian with Purpose project under the spotlight.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for having me.
Ms. Thompson, it is indeed my pleasure to welcome you to the A Collegian with Purpose project under the spotlight. I am looking forward to having an engaging, insightful, and interactive conversation with you about a topic which I believe is arguably one of the most consequential concepts in forming how we function as individuals and ultimately what we perceive as our legacy.
I'm looking forward to do this.
Thank you so much. Do you think enough is done and said about purpose in our schools? And I had this discussion with other teachers, different grades at the primary, high school level, and they all seem to believe that not enough.
Not enough, because as I said, even myself, before this interview was mentioned to me, I know the word purpose, but I didn't use it like that. So I don't think enough has been mentioned. So what I have learned about purpose now, I would have to bring it back to school to tell the teachers and to tell the children. And in any instance where we have parent-teacher meeting and so forth, I would have to do so, expose them to this new word to me, purpose.